Silverhook Diesel Treatment and Injector Cleaner is for use in all diesel engines. It contains a strong blend of detergency and lubricity agents, including kerosene and 2-ethylhexyl nitrate, to improve the auto-ignition properties of diesel fuels. This will help to remove deposits from the injectors, engine pistons, and combustion chamber, and prevent the premature failure of injector pumps and injectors. Our Gold Edition treatment uses a unique combustion enhancer, CE+, which allows the fuel to burn more completely, lowering CO2 emissions and diesel noise. This will also reduce black smoke and white engine startup smoke. One 325ml bottle treats 50 to 70 litres of fuel. Regular use will reduce diesel knock, smooth idling, and eliminate tough starts. This will also prevent fuel from aging and enhance corrosion protection. For more information, visit www.silverhook.co.uk or contact us directly.